Are you tired of struggling to inflate your bicycle tire with a manual pump? Do you wish there was a more efficient and convenient way to keep your tires properly inflated? Well, look no further. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your bicycle tire inflation needs: the lightweight and portable bicycle tire pump. This compact and flexible pump is designed to be easily stored and used anytime, anywhere. Weighing only 0.29 kg, it's the perfect companion for all your cycling adventures. But don't let its small size fool you. This pump is equipped with a high-speed pure metal motor that ensures efficient performance. With an inflation speed of up to 15 L/min and a power of 66.6 W, you'll be able to inflate your tires faster than ever before. And with its built-in intelligent sensor chip, you can say goodbye to the hassle of manually monitoring tire pressure. The pump accurately detects tire pressure and automatically stops when the tire is full, ensuring a safer and more convenient inflation process. The LED digital display makes it easy to monitor the pump's power and switch between air pressure units. Its simple and intuitive operation ensures a hassle-free experience every time. And with its durable design, including a nylon-braided inflatable tube, this pump is built to last. Its wear-resistant and anti-freeze properties ensure a long service life, making it a reliable investment for all your cycling needs. Plus, its unique valve design makes it compatible with both American and French valves, eliminating the need for any conversion. It's convenient, practical, and suitable for a wide range of bicycles. And when it comes to recharging, this pump won't keep you waiting. With a charging time of just 1.5 hours and a Type-C power supply type, you'll be back on the road in no time. So why struggle with manual pumps when you can enjoy the convenience and efficiency of the lightweight and portable bicycle tire pump? Say goodbye to flat tires and hello to hassle-free cycling with this must-have accessory. Get your hands on the ultimate bicycle tire pump today and experience the difference for yourself. Contact our team for more information. Happy cycling!